Earlier today, December 21st, 2024, I made a video regarding installation of VoidPup64 into a new internal hard drive. So this is just a follow-up on an initial setup because it is distinctly different than almost all the Puppy Linux. Go ahead and set up your region, America, Los Angeles for me, and then time from internet, and then OK, and then reboot. So then you will have a initial save folder in the save partition here. So we'll continue on afterward. Now, after a first initial setup, you'll notice that when you boot up and look at the menu, there is no Puppy Package Manager. So instead, you have to use a terminal. But before that, there is a very useful software you should ideally download and activate first. And it's on a Puppy Linux forum, and what this pet file will do is it will find the closest software mirror near your location, so your downloads and updates are very quick. So all you do is obviously I'll leave a link. What you can do is just click on this mirror and then save the file. And then we'll go to the rocks and downloads file, and then you can just pet file. All you do is just left click once, and we want to install this package. Yes, and it's already installed. Then what you do is then you just type in xmirror from the terminal. So we'll go ahead and xmirror, and then it gives you a little OK, and you just enter, and then just locate your area, region, so North America, and then for me is California. So here an OK. And then do you want to continue? Yes. Mirror is successfully changed. So now, following that, now you're connected to the fastest mirror. So what first command that you should do is VPM. That's a Void Package Manager VPM sync. So it syncs with a local repository. I've already done that once. So it's and then what you want to do then afterwards is to update all the packages and so on. And this will take a long time. But since you have the xmirror set up, it'll be very quick for you. But that's what and then afterwards, then you can go ahead and VPM if you wanna, for example, xterm, and if you wanna install gthumb, and if you wanna install a GIMP, for example, and then VPM, you have to go ahead and if you want to install it, you want to just give it I first and space and all these packages, and then enter, and then it give you, do you want to continue? Now the nearest location is set, so it's very, very fast. Without the xmirror, it's pretty slow, I have to warn you. So this is what I've learned. And then if you know a program that you want to search for example, VPM, just the S, just to search, and then GMIC, this is a GIMP GIMP optional package. So let's say, and then there is a GMIC GIMP. So this is the package that we want to install. So you can go ahead and on the command is VPM again, and then middle mouse click, and then you get, and then it's already it's installed again. So things are very quick. After installing all the files, software and downloads and so on, then you can just use the AR to auto remove. So VPM, you can also dash without the dash. VPM help will also give you a hint as to what the options of VPM you can use. So sync, we already used that, and we used up and search, and then AR, so you can clean up afterwards. So VPM CL cleans up all the packages. So that's done. So that's the main thing that I wanted to let you know about the unique VoidPup64. So this is how you install most of the packages through the VPM terminal command.